Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to show your hometown to close friends on Facebook. In this video, we'll walk you through the updated process, ensuring that only your closest pals can see this personal information. Let's dive right in. First, open up the Facebook app on your smartphone. Once you're in, look for the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner of the screen. This is your menu button. Go ahead and tap it. Now you'll see a list of options. Scroll down until you find your profile and give that a tap. This will take you to your Facebook profile page. On your profile page, you'll notice an Edit Profile button. Tap on that to start customizing your information. As you scroll down the Edit Profile page, you'll come across the Details section. This is where we want to be, so tap on Edit within this section. Here's where the magic happens. Scroll down until you spot your hometown. Right next to it, you'll see a little pencil icon. That's your Edit button. Give it a tap. Now you're probably thinking, wait, my hometown is already there. What am I editing? Well, we're not changing the town itself, but rather who can see it. Look for the Privacy button and tap on it. A list of options will pop up, showing you different groups of people who can view your hometown. We want to select Close Friends from this list. Once you've tapped on that, hit Done to confirm your choice. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually at the top right of your screen, and give it a tap. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your Facebook privacy settings to show your hometown only to your close friends. This way, you can share this personal detail with the people who matter most to you, while keeping it private from others. Remember, you can always come back and adjust these settings if you ever want to change who can see your hometown. Thanks for watching, and happy Facebooking!